Welcome to Whole Mindset Mastery. My name is T. Today's topic is why a college degree is needed but not necessary for your career. This is coming from a perspective of an individual that have worked for 26 years, 12 years as an hourly production employee, 2 years as a software engineer, 12 years in leadership role, and now close to a year as a solo content creator. Before I start, I just want to say there are professions out there that you do need a college degree. If you're a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer, obviously you need a college degree. But there are many professions in the United States where a college degree is not necessary to perform well at the job. But yet, employers require a college degree. Attending college does provide benefit that you can apply to the real world, like networking, time management, learning how to learn, but it's not a true indicator of what you can do in the real world. Having a college degree allows you to have your foot in the door, but what matters is whether you're successful or not is what you do with that college degree, is what you do with the knowledge that you acquired. In the real world, we have many professionals that are working in the field that they did not major in. We had people majoring in biology, aerospace, engineers that are great managers, great leaders. And we have people that did not have a college degree, but are great leaders, not just managers, great leaders. I was fortunate to work with an individual that did not have a college degree, but he could write a book on how to be an unpretentious manager. People follow him not because he's a leader with a leader title, but people follow him because they respect him, because he is relatable. Through YouTube demographic, I see that I have people in the 20s and 30s watching my channel. And if you're in a situation now where you don't know what you want to do for career, you don't have a college degree, and you don't want to go back to school, if you are fortunate to work in a company that doesn't require a college degree, that offer all the on-the-job training, take advantage of that opportunity. Don't listen to your peers, the people that have a lot of negative things to say. If you put enough effort, you can find negative things to say about just about anything in the world. If you're on a job now that doesn't get paid much, but there are career growth opportunity in your organization, take advantage of the opportunity for different classes they offer, different seminars. Once you complete the class, once you complete the seminar, it's not good enough just to have that certification. You need to also apply it. You need to also adapt it to your workplace, because a lot of people have college degree, a lot of people have certification, a lot of people have completed classes, but there are not that many people that actually apply them. That's the differentiator between someone who is successful, someone who is not. When I was in a leadership role and the interviewee asked me what I look for in a candidate, I simply said, I look for someone that can learn, that can apply and adapt, and that can network. I did not say anything about college degree. I did not say anything about any pedigree. That's because if you have that transfer skill set, the ability to learn, apply and adapt, and network, then your career is limitless. For those that know me, I like to use acronym. If you think about it, that's LAN, Local Area Network, in the tech key terms. If you have an ambition to be in a different career path that require a college degree, or if your organization require a college degree, then take advantage of college tuition reimbursement. I know you can only take 1, maybe 2 classes a semester, but you'll be surprised. Time flies by really quick. Within 6 to 8 years, depending how many classes you take, you could get an associate or a bachelor degree. It is unfortunate that most companies require a college degree for an entry-level position. So college degree is needed only to get your foot in the door. College degree is not an indicator of whether you're going to be a successful professional or not. I had a bachelor degree in computer information system, which landed me a job as a software engineer, but I had to learn the proprietary application. I had to learn the proprietary software, and had to relearn different languages because that's what that company used. The college degree just showed the employer that I have the ability to learn and time manage, but it still requires me to learn new skills once I get onto the job. This goes back to ability to learn, apply, adapt, and network. That is the key to a successful career. You should never stop learning. Then when I transitioned to the leadership role, I had to learn how to be a good leader, because early on in my career, I wasn't a good leader. I was a manager, but not a leader. But because I'm passionate about learning and I'm open to criticism and I apply and adapt to the situation, I became a leader that I wanted to be, and the compensation to go along with it as well. During my leadership career, I saw some great employee with high-level leadership with dedication to the company that could do more, that should do more, that should work themselves into the promotion to earn the wages that they deserve. But some of them don't want to for various reasons. I encourage some of those individuals to start thinking about applying and getting into different positions. Some of them took the suggestion and some of them didn't. What I encourage you is, if you have the ability to learn on a job, if you have the opportunity to get promoted within your organization, don't turn away from that opportunity. Remember, there's only so much expenses you can cut, but there is no limit to how much you can earn. So if you have the opportunity to learn on a job, take advantage of that opportunity. Get rid of self-doubt, get out of the comfort zone, and don't wait until you're ready to apply for a position. The difference between people that grow, the people that don't grow, is just that small line between where that comfort zone is. If you're able to surpass that comfort zone, get yourself into that uncomfortable position, that is when you are propelling yourself into the next level. People often stick with that comfort zone, that comfort area, but if you want to grow, you want to expand your horizon, and you want the ability to earn more, you have to get outside of that comfort zone. Don't wait until you're ready to apply for a position. You got to start planting the seed now so that you are ready to harvest when the opportunity arises. Don't wait until the job opens up to start doing something. Start dedicating 1 hour a day to learning new skills so that you can apply that to your job, and have an open mind about what career path is good for you. Speaking from my experience, I grew up wanting to be a mathematician. I grew up wanting to work for Microsoft as a software engineer. I was a ones and zero guy, black and white, true or false, no excuses. And if you ask me if I want to be in leadership role, I would say hell no. But because I'm passionate about learning and not afraid to take on new challenges and thrive on getting out of that comfort zone, I was able to excel in leadership role. If you ask me which one I like better, software engineer or leadership, I would say leadership hands down.